Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing by Nicholas. For today's unboxing we've got the Legend of Zelda Yahtzee. This was like 15 bucks as a gift from my girlfriend for my birthday, so I was like, you know what? I mean, I wouldn't spend, normally it's like 30 bucks. I mean, I wouldn't, normally spend this kind of, money on something like this, but yeah. So it's pretty cool. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Got my little lights. Okay. Sorry if it's really dark. Okay. Okay, so inside it's a box. Okay, so sorry about the moon. Okay, so it comes with a pencil. That's cool. Little tiny pencil. You got like the game sheets. It's even Zelda themed. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's really neat. And then we got the rules on how to play Yahtzee. So it does come with all that, and then let's see, got these, little twist ties. They're so irritating. Okay. And then this is why you're probably going to buy it. The collectible dice container. Now I have a lot of dice because I do play Magic, all that kind of stuff. So this is going to be really nice. So that's really cool. So we got the front. Oh, that's really nice. The sides, the bottom. And then it just need to get a better light instead of my phone. Okay. And it somehow opens. Oh, I see. You open the top. Okay. And then we got our dice. So we'll just go over all of them. So we got yellow. It's actually really nice. You got orange. You got dark green. You got blue. And you got like a purple. So yeah. I'd like to thank everyone for watching my review of Legend of Zelda Yahtzee. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.